Today I am going to discuss about relation. What is a relation? A relation gives us a set of order pairs that satisfies a relationship. Let us understand this concept using examples on two sets. Let us consider two sets P and Q. P has two elements 2 and 3. And set Q has 4 elements 10, 21, 30 and 40. Now the Cartesian product of the above two sets will be the set of following order pairs. 2 is paired with each of the 4 elements 10, 21, 30 and 40. And 3 is paired with each of the 4 elements 10, 21, 30 and 40. So the set P cross Q will be 2, 10, 2, 21, 2, 30, 2, 40, 3, 10, 3, 21, 3, 30 and 3, 40. Now we suppose introduce a relation R such that Q is a multiple of P. Every order pair in R should satisfy the relation. Now let us choose the order pairs for relation R from the Cartesian product. 10 is a multiple of 2. 30 is a multiple of 2. 40 is a multiple of 2. 21 is a multiple of 3. And 30 is a multiple of 3. So R will be 2, 10, 2, 30, 2, 40, 3, 21 and 3, 30. If we represent the Cartesian product P cross Q as a set that is in the form of a circle, then R will be a subset of P cross Q. That is the basic concept of a relation. A relation gives us a set of order pairs that satisfies a relationship. Thank you.